Hey, B.
What are we cooking today?
We're cooking that Kelly Prine awesome potato soup today. You don't want to miss this awesome recipe. We're going to start it out right here, B. We're going to drop in a little bit of that bacon up, just enough to get on the bottom of that pan. While that's melting down right there, we're going to jump over here. We got the bacon. Y'all come on now, follow with me. We're going to chop that bacon up right there. Ooh, look how sharp that knife is right there. We just want to cut that bacon up in little pieces like that. Just come right on down like that. Get that bacon all chopped up. Boy, you know bacon is good for me and you and all of us. A lot of people like the bacon, getting it all chopped up right here. All right, once we get that bacon all chopped up like that, we're going to jump over here and we're just going to drop it down. That's a 13-inch Macware pot we cooking in. We're going to drop that bacon right in there. We'll start letting that fry down. While that's frying down, we got some chopped up onion right here. That's about 1.5 onions. We're going to drop that down in there too. We're going to just kind of break that bacon up. Look at that, B. Break that bacon up like that a little bit. Oh, yeah. Now, while we're waiting on that to get hot and start cooking down, we're going to jump over here. We got our potatoes. We're going to move that out of the way. Get this right here. We got our potatoes right here. That's the potatoes we're going to use right here. We're going to start cutting them potatoes up. And what we want to do, we just want to cut them in slices like that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bacon's all cooked down in there. Look at all that flavor coming off the bottom of that pot. Y'all, now what we're going to do, we're going to hit with a little bit of potatoes in there. We're going to start dropping them potatoes in there. Got them potatoes in there like that. All right, B, now what we want to do, we want to take that chicken broth like this, and we just want to put it in just enough to cover them potatoes. Roll up with it like that. Add that chicken broth in there like that. Perfect. All right, so we're just going to kind of mix that around a little bit right there. Get that all pushed up, and we want to bring that to a boil. Boil them potatoes down to the potatoes start softening up. So there you go, right there. We got another pack of bacon, and we're going to cut that pack of bacon up. We're going to cut it up just like that. Get it all cut up, chopped up. Get that bacon all chopped up. What we're going to do, B, we're going to drop it down in that frying pan. We just want to fry this down. Y'all, this is just toppings right here. This is going to be the toppings for the soup. Y'all, them potatoes starting to boil a little bit, starting to get all softened up. Get that right there. Now, while we waiting on all that come together, we're going to grab some of these green onions right here, get them opened up, and we're going to make us some more toppings. And green onions like that, I like just kind of squeeze them together. We're going to take that top half right there. We're going to throw them over here to the side. Get us a little bowl right here. And we're just going to come down it. Oh, yeah. Get them little green onions right there. All right, look here, B. All them little bacon bits all ready. We'll get them up out there. I'll get them all spread out where they start drying out a little bit. All right, B, check that out. Look at that right there. Boy, them potatoes done softened up now. Starting to thicken up a little bit right there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to hit it with 2 cups of that half and half. Wee boy. And just get that a good mix around right there. Oh yeah. And we want to do, y'all, we just want that to simmer down, cook down, let all that come together, let them potatoes cook apart a little bit, and let all this thicken up a little bit. Potato soup today. All right, B, what we're gonna do, we're gonna season the taste. So I'm gonna taste a little bit of it. Ooh, definitely need a little salt in it. We're gonna hit it with that salt across the top like that. And then we're gonna come back, and you know we gotta hit it with that pepper. Oh, look at that pepper going in there. Gotta hit it with that pepper. Gotta hit it with that pepper. And then, you know, we gotta hit it with that all-purpose Southern Boys. Right there like that. And we're gonna give that a good stir around. Get that all mixed in there. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna let that come back to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, we'll taste it again. If we need to add a little more salt, a little more pepper, we'll do it at that time. All right, B, look at here, look at here, look at here. Ooh, that potato soup is done. Look at that. God, look how yummy that looks right there. Let me get me a bowl right here. Come on. I know y'all gonna say, oh, you got a paper bowl. That's all right, look at that. 1 scoop, go in there for another scoop. Look at that right there. Come on over here. Then we're gonna go in there. We'll drop down that cheese on there like that. Oh yeah. Drop down some more cheese, because it ain't easy being cheesy. More cheese. Get some of them bacon bits. Drop them bacon bits on there. That's them homemade bacon bits right there. Get them bacon bits on there, and then we'll get a few of them little green onions to top it off. Holy smoke, look at that right there, y'all. Look at that potato soup right there, y'all. Oh, you talk about some kind of good. It just don't get no better than that. Thank you, Kelly Prime, for the awesome recipe. Y'all got to try it now. I'm telling you, super easy, super good.